Welcome to Bator International's Classic Online Motorcycle Sales. This beautiful bike is a 1963 Harley Davidson FL Duo Glide, and this is part of the Dave Fischer Collection that we will be auctioning off this coming June 9, 2018 at the Frontier Harley Davidson dealership in Lincoln, Nebraska. Along with this motorcycle, we'll be auctioning off another 45 motorcycles, all at no reserve, as well as parts, memorabilia, signs, all kinds of things. We even have a 55 Chevy panel truck. We have snow machines, a Harley Davidson boat, golf carts, you name it. Everything is selling at no reserve. For more information on this motorcycle as well as the auction, go to our website, www.batorinternational.com, or you can call me direct at 805-798-1802, and I'll be happy to speak to you about it.